Every great meal begins with something you never see. Not the ingredients, not the recipe, not even the cooking. It begins with a single moment that changes everything. Today, we're going to show you what that moment looks like. Every day, we discover hundreds of recipes. We tell ourselves, I'll make this one day. But most recipes never leave our camera roll. What if that picture wasn't just a picture anymore? Upload a photo, and Upliance helps it turn it into a complete recipe with ingredients, cooking steps, and cooking settings ready for your air fryer. Because inspiration should never end as another forgotten screenshot. But turning a picture into a recipe was only the beginning. Remember when we uploaded a photo and got the recipe? The next one is even better. Found a recipe you love? Just copy and paste the link, and the app turns it into a recipe for you. Great recipes already exist. They inspire millions every single day. We wanted every recipe to feel at home in your kitchen. Yet one decision changes everything. Great technology doesn't ask you to stay in one place. It quietly stays with you, ready whenever you are. Because understanding shouldn't stop the moment the cooking begins. Great cooking isn't measured in minutes. It's measured in moments. The first crunch, the perfect bite, the smile that follows. Because perfect cooking isn't one setting, it's your setting. Some recipes deserve to say juicy, some need the perfect balance, and some deserve that final crunch. But for us, crispy wasn't crispy enough. So we didn't just increase the temperature, we reimagined what an air fryer could do. Introducing Blaze It, India's first and only blaze technology that lets you take the temperature all the way up to 210 degrees Celsius and cook any food in a fixed 5-minute burst. A high heating finishing mode unlocked after every cooking session, giving you an exclusive access to temperature for up to 210 degrees Celsius, the highest available in any air fryer in India. A powerful 5-minute finishing burst created for one purpose, delivering the kind of crispiness conventional air fryers simply cannot. Whether it's fries, kurkure bhindi, pakoras, or perfectly crisp chicken, Blaze It gives your food the final restaurant-style finish with far less oil. Because every air fryer promotes crispiness, Blaze It how we deliver it. Even the best recipes leave you with questions. Every recipe begins with curiosity. Confidence begins with knowing. So whenever the questions appear, answers are already waiting. What can I add to my brownies if I don't have brown sugar? And that's when we realized we hadn't built another appliance. We built something that understands cooking the way people do. It understands inspiration, it understands curiosity, it understands confidence, and most importantly, it understands you. Because future isn't about cooking for you, it's about cooking with you.